All right. Welcome back. Once again, your boy is at it again. I'm gonna give you a quick get up in the morning start protein shake. Usually when we get up in the morning, we have a tradition of eating a heavy meal, but usually you want to make that your light meal. You want to get your immune system and your digestive system time to wake up. So it's good to gradually get your system to wake up from being in a repair state while you sleep at night. So a good way of doing it is having water, or just having, if you gotta have something, have your protein shake, like a protein smoothie or something like that. And one of my get up and go is a protein smoothie, and this will be my mango banana tropical protein shake on the Dr. Sebi tip. Without further ado, I'm gonna pop this one off for you. And if you haven't already did it, go ahead and hit that like button, share, subscribe, and we gonna go ahead and flip this off on the other side. So it's really simple. It's a straight protein shake / smoothie, however you want to call it. We're gonna get this going. We got the tropical fruit mixture. So we're gonna take about 2.5 cups. I'm gonna do it by eye, baby. All right. And for extra measures, I have some extra strawberries that I cut up, and I'm gonna go ahead and use these before they go bad, because you know strawberries don't last that long. So we're gonna add a little more strawberries in there. Now your fruit measurement can be up to what you want it to be. If you like it fruity, hook it up. If you like it less fruity, do your thing. All right, now we're gonna put a little lime in it to kind of balance out the sweetness. A little key lime. If you ain't got key lime, you can use regular lime. It's what I got right now. So put a little lime in there to balance it out. And then what we have here is hemp seed, a form of protein that's good for your body. If you're not familiar with hemp seed, it does a lot of things for your body. It's so many that I can't even mention on this video. So what you could do is look it up, do your research. If you need a little more information from me, hit me down in the box, and I'll do my best to kind of give you all the information you need. Hit me with a message, baby. All right, so we're gonna put about a tablespoon in there. There we go, just like my mama would say, that's enough, that boy. All right, and then what we have here is what Dr. Sebi always talks about, sea moss. See, a good way with my sea moss is what I do to preserve it. I freeze it and I make cubes out of it, or I make sea moss chips. In this case, I made sea moss chips so it can last a long time, and I can just put it in my smoothies and certain recipes that I want as well. So I'm gonna take a couple of chips up on out of there, put it on in my smoothie. So we got mixed fruits, tropical fruits, hemp seeds. We got all that in here, and we're gonna put a little sweetener in there. Now that's all up to you how sweet you like it. And I put key lime in there for extra measure. I'm gonna put another key lime in that, baby. You know, it's all to taste, baby, all to taste. And last but not least, you wanna put your water in there. You know, your consistency is based on you. If you like it thick, less water. If you like it loose, more water. So I like it even. And then I go by eye. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and blend that up. All right, baby. Chip it up, chip it up, chip it up, baby. Smoothie on the old Vitamix. This is a high, you can have any kind of blender, but this is a Vitamix, and I got presets on it. Usually if you don't have presets on, you could do it for about a minute or so. there. All right there, baby. All right, what we gonna do? We gonna go ahead and serve it up, serve it up. We gonna go right in on into it. We're gonna go right on into this. The taste test, baby. The taste test, baby. Let me pour it on in there. See, I like mine a little loose, a little thick. All right, look at that milk, that shake, baby. That shake, rattle, and roll. All right. All right, cast that off to the side. Side, baby. So, without further ado, to you, baby. To you, baby. Ooh, yeah. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the other side. Your health is your wealth. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next video, baby.